Hello and welcome to our tutorial videos. If you ever need to get in contact with us, you can use the Help Desk function. From the menu, select Help Desk, and then, create new support case. Select your service type. In this case, we're gonna select voice, then, we're gonna select PBX_service. Click Next, and then, make sure that the required contacts are going to receive updates, by adding them in here. Note, these are going to be your individual portal users that you have created previously. Click Next and proceed. Fill in the initial questions. Once you answer it, click Next. These are basic questions to help us gather the required information. After these questions, add the subject and the details on the text box. As you can see, we've given a detailed subject and some useful information. We can upload an attachment if we need to, and we can also give it our own internal reference number. Once done, we can click Create Support Case. The support case is now created, and you'll see that is now listed on here. You can also get to this page by clicking View Support Cases, and you can even get there from the PBX itself by clicking the little icon. Once you've got the ticket, you'll see that all future correspondence will come into here. If you want to add a new note, you can click the Add Note button, and say, New Note with more information. And you can even upload attachments from here as well. Any further correspondence from us will be displayed here, and you will also get an email notification letting you know of the updates. If you feel that you no longer require this case, or the situation has been resolved, you can click the Close Ticket button to close out the case.